Good morning, second grade. Ms. Fogelman here today for your writing lesson. As you know, we've been talking about poetry, and today our conversation will continue with delving deeper into the language that you're using in your poetry. So our teaching point is that poets think very carefully about the words that they choose. They search for the exact honest words that match what they're trying to say. Poets reread their poetry and ask themselves, are these words creating the image that I want? If not, poets revise. Remember, revising your poem means to go back and edit it, go through and find different words, maybe correct spelling mistakes, anywhere where you feel like you've left out a part of your poem. So these are all ways to revise your poem. Okay, so our first, the poem that we're looking at today is in front of us now, and it says, I sit in my room at night. Mom comes in, we open the book, and I fly away on the wings of a dragon, around the world to a place of wonder and imagination. A story comes out, another world comes alive, and we are in it. Okay, so I'm going to reread the poem, and I'm going to look for words that just don't feel right. What words could we replace those words with? I sit in my room at night. Mom comes in. We open the book, and I fly away on the wings of a dragon around the world to a place of wonder and imagination. A story comes out, another world comes alive, and we are in it. So instead of opens in the poem, right here, we open the book. Could we say pops open, burst open, or spreads its wings? Okay. So instead of saying that, I could say, I sit in my room at night. Mom pops open the book and I fly away. Let me say that again. I sit in my room at night. Mom comes in. We pop open the book and I fly away. It gives you a little more of a visual as the reader than just the word open. Instead of comes out, right here, a story comes out, we could say flies to us, grabs our ears, fills the room. So let me read it using one of those. I sit in my room at night. Mom comes in. We pop open the book and I fly away on the wings of a dragon around the world to a place of wonder and imagination. A story fills the room. Another world comes alive and we are in it. That phrase fills the room makes you realize that they are truly becoming part of the story. Poets make decisions that strengthen the meaning of their poem. They make meaning with images. They use honest, precise words. They pay attention to the line breaks. Did you notice as I was reading, I paused at the end of each line because that's where the poet wants us to take a pause. They're hoping that by pausing there, it will mean, it will really emphasize their meaning. And we make meaning with music when we rhyme or when the poem has a rhythm to it. Now, I want you today to get out your poetry paper. I'd like you to look at the old poems that you've written. Where are some places that you can put words, replace words with words that have more meaning? Words that create an image in the reader's mind. You can also write new poems looking for honest, precise words. Okay, let's review what honest, precise words are. Instead of using the word went, we could say crawled, slithered, tiptoed, crept. All these words really paint a picture for the reader. And don't forget to always use your poet's eyes. All right, that's all I have for you today. Remember, your assignment is to go back first to some poems you've already written. Look for some places where you can replace words with words that give the reader a better image. And then you can start a new poem. Have a good day.